Hey guys, Happy New Year. Welcome to a brand new year, and let's all hope we are gonna make a lot of money this year. Let's just say it up front. And it's quite interesting that, 2017, how much things have changed, and how many people have benefited from um, the new blockchain technology, and how much, um, how many people, ordinary people like you and me, have benefited from um, Bitcoin and all those brand new stuff. I mean, it really is fascinating how a person's life can be changed in such short period. So yeah, and what's quite interesting is that this morning I woke up and as usual, I'm gonna check my BitConnect account, and this thing popped up. It's called BitconnectX, a brand new ICO that's gonna be launched by BitConnect on January 10th. So this is quite a surprise. If you click on the link, it will bring you to a new page. It says exactly BitconnectX. Be a part of the cryptocurrency movement. ICO begins in 8 days. So this is quite interesting, and they actually just put this page up because all those links are not working. So this is something brand new that they came up with. So I want to talk about what I think about this move, and how it's gonna affect BitConnect in the near future. So first of all, I think this is um, whether it will be a lending platform just like BitConnect or it will be something else. We don't know yet. Right now it says mining, and that's it. There's no lending, so nobody can tell if it has lending or it is something that's different. And also, what's very smart about this is that they just released today, which is the first day of 2018. That's a very smart marketing strategy. And if you know BitConnect, it has been operating very well during the past year, 2017. And it has grown so big that, probably your grandma is in BitConnect right now. And as you can see, the token price is 375, which is incredible. I mean, in only the span of 1 year, from under $1 to 375, it's 400x. And they have gotten so big that you know it's just incredible how fast a platform like this can grow, and it really pioneered um, the concept of lending, and they are really the pioneer of all these ICOs and lending platforms. So this one could be a way for them to cash in even more and the use the fame of BitConnect to generate more revenue, and you know get more investors in. And it also can be a way for them to diversify their risk, and you know counter their financial difficulties, because you know who knows. I'm not saying that BitConnect might be in financial difficulties, but um, I actually don't think so, but we can't deny there's a possibility that it has um, it's not that it has difficulty to keep up and pay its bills. I mean, who knows? So this is a brilliant way for them to come up with new ways and raise more money and also attract more investors, and also to keep the old platform, which is Bitconnect, keep growing. And I think this is great because now they have two platforms and their name will get even bigger in the industry and all over the world. And just like they claimed, their members are growing rapidly on a daily basis. So I think more people coming into this platforms, more people will benefit from it, and also the company will be be stronger and more financially stable. So I think it's a very smart move for BitConnect uh, to do such a new ICO. And just only 8 days away, and we are gonna see what happens. But one thing for sure is that I'm definitely gonna invest in this platform and participate in the ICO. They says here accept BitConnect coin, Litecoin, and Bitcoin. Yeah, I might just use my BitConnect coin to buy some to participate in the ICO. And normally during ICO, it's the coin price is under $1. And let's see how much BitConnect has come. It's 375. If you just buy the coins during the ICO and hold it for 1 year, and you will 400x your money. I mean, yeah, this is insane profitability here, and I do see this um, as a very good opportunity, and I'm definitely gonna capture this opportunity. Whether I'll hold the coins or sell the coins after it hits the exchange, or land on the platform, or something else they come up with, we're gonna see about that. But you know, right now it seems all good, and it has a really promising outlook. So yeah, hope you enjoy the video, like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and Happy New Year. Stay tuned for the next video.